For hiking, it's mainly like parks. Like I mainly go to Taylor's Falls and Afton State Park because they're the two closer by ones, and and it's just so beautiful there, and I like hiking those places. Hi, I'm Wyatt Nichols. I went to school at NDSU. I graduated in 2018, and I'm originally from North Dakota. I'm a staff accountant, and so I do mainly process of financials. So I first start off collecting source documents, so it's like the bank statements and any loan docs, or if I need to record interest, and then I'll go and enter in all the transactions, reconcile the accounts, and then make any payroll journal entries. I also work with payroll, and then after that I'll review and then send off the finished financials then to the account manager. And then I also do sales tax and then some individual 1040s. I usually help them out, how to typically record the invoices and the process after that. So receiving payments once they get that, and just kind of how the whole process, how that works. One of the problems, I go and help them figure out how to properly invoice and bill customers in their software, whether in QB or Xero. I also go and help them if they have any sort of questions where things are getting coded. I help them understand why it's getting coded to that specific category. A few months down the road, you can kind of see their revenues ticking up and some things that are like that, giving indications that, it's working and they're doing something good. I like hiking and going for walks around the neighborhood. I also like watching TV and movies and playing video games. Borderlands, Gears of War, Uncharted. More of those one person, one adventure, one storyline games. Probably books, anything like Stephen King. Stephen King's my favorite author. I have a cat, her name's Delta, and I adopted her back in 2017 from a shelter in Fargo. I actually gave her that name when the shelter did, and I just never changed it. I was like, hey, that's kind of a nice name. One of the biggest things is being able to work with many different clients. It's nice having that variety and not just stuck to one company you're doing books for. I also like the structure, knowing what you're kind of going to be doing each day and being able to create your own schedule. I think the most fulfilling thing is just being that person who's processing those financials and creating the product for the client, and giving them the peace of mind when they look at the financials that they're doing well, or they can look at it and be like, hey, I can improve here and improve my business in these ways, and being able to give them that tool to help with that is the most fulfilling thing, I'd say.